Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your dropshipping model with Printful step by step clearly. First, start by accessing your current dropshipping platform. Log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, visit the Printful website. Create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, go to the Integrations section. Select your existing e-commerce platform from the list. Follow the prompts to connect Printful to your store. After integration, explore the Printful product catalog. Choose the items that fit your brand. Customize each product with your designs and logos. Upload high-quality images to ensure optimal print quality. Set competitive pricing for your products, factoring in production costs. Adjust your shipping settings to match Printful's fulfillment options. Implement marketing strategies to promote your new product line. Utilize social media and email marketing to reach your audience. Monitor your store's analytics to track performance. Continuously engage with your customers for feedback and improvement. Apply any adjustments based on customer responses and sales data. Stay updated with Printful's new features and products. Regularly refresh your inventory to keep your offerings exciting. Lastly, build a strong brand presence to stand out in the market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.